All right, yeah, welcome back again. This time we want to look at a wireframe in MorphoJ wireframe. Wireframe actually is a set of connecting lines between landmarks in a graph that helps to visualize the landmark configuration. All right, it supports using a frame of visualizing shape changes in 2 or 3 dimensions. All right, and it's actually in MorphoJ is a conventional wireframe in which all the links are represented as straight lines. Okay, though it also produces what we call soft wireframe, in which the straight links between the landmarks are deformed using the thin plate spline, right? We call it TPS. Okay, so it is a very helpful operation or graph in a MorphoJ. All right. So, but it requires the understanding of the anatomy of the structure under study. That is to say, the subject you are undergoing under study, you must understand the anatomy for you to do a proper wireframe. Because don't just connect lines. You connect line that is needed that we want to use to represent the shape changes or what you want to present, what you want to showcase, all right, under study, you want to research for. So you need to understand it. So that is one of the challenge. So we are going to look at how to create one in a very simple way here. Okay, so let's use this to create it, because this one is more many. So I just want to, I don't just want short one that you can just do very quickly to show example. So from the select the database first, all right, select database, go to preliminary, to create wireframe. So you click on it and see here, showing here, so you can flip to see how it looks. So now you want to look at the connection now from here, how they are connected. Normally you can have a hard copy printed out. If you have a more complex structure, you can have a hard copy printed out and just go through it and just use it to follow up your lines. All right, that is much more easier. Okay, so but for those who understand the structure, how it look like, you can follow it up very easily. Let me just give you a sample here, so I don't want to give everything. So these are the line you link from here to here, or from here to here, any whichever way. Okay, when you link, you click on link here. You don't want to delete anyone. You want to select it and click on delete to delete. When you are done with everything, you now click on accept. Okay, so now let's say you want to link some structure here. Let's say you want to link let's say you want to link from here, here, down here, down here, down here. Okay, but let's just link the eyes. We have 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, we have 1 2 3. Okay, I have 1 2 3. Okay, let me use it. Let me do it this way so that I can make let me use it. Let's say 27 first. Let's start from 27 first. 27. I'm just really fast to 27. Okay, let me start from 27 to make it easier. 27, 28, 29, 27, 28. So I link. Then 28 down to 29. I linked. Alright, so that one is done. Then I do 30 again now. 30 from 30 to 31. Then 31 to 32. Alright, that one is done. Then I come again. I want to do let's say I want to do 26 now. 26 to 24. 24. Okay. 24 to 22. 22 to 20. 20 to 21, 21 to 23. No, something is missing. Delete. 21, 23, 23 to 25. So the next step, I want to link again. From notes. I want to link from here 5 to 6. I say I want to link from 5 to 6. 5 to 6. Then I link 6 to 7. 6 to 7. Okay. I link 7 to 8. 7 to 8. 8 to 9. 9 to 10. 10 to 11. And 11 to 6. 1 to 6. Okay. Maybe I want to link a math region. I want to link here from 12 to 4. Okay, let me say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let me link 12 to 14 only. 12 to 14. Let me 14 to 15. 15 to 16. 16 to 30. To 13 rather. 13 back to 19. 19 back to 12. Right. See, then you can continue and link more. Alright, you can link more. If you want to join this, you can join this. So you can see, try to form something here now. Okay, this one because I don't have sufficient landmarks around this region here, so I could have maybe here, here, here. Then I can link them together. So I can just link only one line here, one line here. Let's say I want to link 1 and 2 together. For example, I just link 1 and 2. Then I link 3 and 4. Okay, so I can say join this together to this, together with this if I want. I can join this, I can join this if I want. So this is how you do your wireframe. Okay, you can go further and do more linking if you want to do. So you don't need to link everything actually. The one you want you link. So when I'm done, I click on accept. It's already been named, so I've given them I want. So if I want to see my wireframe now, I can see it from my principal component. All right, let's say if I create principal component, for example, now let me just create one. Let me create one component, for example, this component of my selected this also the one I've selected now. Okay, already, can you see it here? Wireframe here, DB set wireframe. So now let me rotate. So now I can view this in wireframe or in TPS. Okay. Now for example, I can now come here and now say, okay, choose. Don't forget, you can choose to display any kind of PC you want. For example, I want PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4. Okay. Any PC I want to do, I can display any PC I want. Okay. As this is changing, based on the PC I choose, all the PC are here. Okay. I can choose anyone I want to display. Right, to display. Okay. Well, let me go back to PC1. So now I can say, okay, I want to change to wireframe here. If I want in transform grid, I just use this one to be in this form. For me, this transform grid. Right? I can change the color setting. If I don't want the color to be like this, I can change the color of the numbers, color of the lollipop. I can change the color of the graph. I can change anytime I want to change this color. So that one is very easy. So, but I don't want to bother about that for now. So I can say, okay, I want the wireframe. This wireframe, okay. This one is warp join, the one you have done before. So let me choose wireframe from here. wireframe. So it says you to select each one you want to choose. This one we have done created just now, so that's the only one we have. Click on OK. Can you see? So this wireframe of what you have created just now. So this one can be exported to your uh, manuscript or whatever. So whichever any shape you are working with, whether mandible, whether fish, whatever you're working with, you can actually create the wireframe for it to show the shape configuration of that particular specimen, or probably the region you want to uh, explain or point out or want to represent. You can do that wireframe. So this is just a soft one. You can see that it's showing here in different. So you can just present it this way. You can do for now. This is only for general now. If you for general, you can save this one for general, but you can also do for each now. For example, this for if you look at it now for sex now. All right. So if I want to do it for I can divide data set into two, to male and female, for example, male and female, right? If I select it now, I can create it into two. I say okay, I can come here. I can separate the database, subdivide here. Okay. If I click on beyond, I can say okay by sex. So I have male and female, all right, separately. So here I can just create male and female. All right, separate them. I click on here. So I have male and female. So this male, this female, this male, this female. You can see that. So I have two of them now separated. So I have two male and female. So you can create for male and female. If you check the tree now, you can see you have male, female here. I can see male, female. You can create. Can come here and just create my covariance matrix here for each of them. All right, covariance matrix for both male and female. So for this for female first, then I do for male as well. So for each of them, I can create do components analysis for each of them. Okay, can do for male as well. So now I can now see their, let's say we rotate this for male, this for female. If I right click now, can go maybe set wireframe. Can you see this one is for female now? This female shape. Okay. For male, let's look at it here. This male. Can you see how male look like? It's more wider. You can see the distance of the nose region here. See the mandible. See everything. So you can actually differentiate. Can you see the difference between the two? Can you see this one is more wider than this one? Okay, so you can actually bring the two of them and put them beside themselves and call male, female, and see the shape difference. Very easy. All right. So that's what I just quickly do now here. So this is how to do your wireframe and also differentiate them. If you have many, for example, I can do the same for age, for adults, for young adults, for adolescents. You can see their shape differences using the wireframe. It is very powerful. So thank you so much for listening. I will see us next time. For now, I will be pausing on this particular MorphoJ for this session. We'll move on to something else quickly. Then we'll come back again for 3D 3D analysis later. So thank you so much. I will see us next class.